To take out the front bumper, first we will lift up the parking brake, then we will lift up the car. I'm using a 4-wheeler jack to lift up the car, so I don't really need to pull up the handbrake. But if you're using the regular jack that comes with the car, you must lift up the parking brake, otherwise the car will fall apart. We'll start off from the underneath corner side of the bumper. I will use a clip remover tool like this to take out the first clip, which is right there. There's the clip taken out. Right where we took out this clip, notice a little ahead there are a bunch of other clips. There's the other clip right here and it's already taken out for some reason in my case. Just like the second clip, there's also the third clip right there that's also taken out. But in your case, you're supposed to take out both of these clips. Then a little ahead, you're also supposed to take out the fourth clip. Take out one more clip from here and then another clip from there. Once you've taken out all the clips from the middle, only then we will take out the final clip from the other corner side. Just like that. With the final clip taken out, now we will jump onto the corners. Notice on the corner there are two clips that we are supposed to take out. Here again I'm using clip remover tool to take both of those clips out. Once we take out these two clips, notice underneath there are two more clips that we also need to take out. Now we will try to pull out the fender liner from the edge as much as we can. And notice the point connecting the fender with the bumper. Right behind that spot there's actually an 8mm screw that we have to take out. And it is this screw right there, just like that. I'll be using an 8mm socket with an impact gun to take it out, but you can also use an 8mm socket and a round head ratchet to take that screw out. There's that screw taken out. Now we will slightly pull out the bumper from the edge. And notice from underneath headlight it's also supposed to be pulled out, and it also did pull out in my case. Jumping onto the other side, from the other side it has a damage, so I would not be able to show you the process, but the process is exactly the same as of the other side. You're supposed to take out 4 clips from the corner right here, and then you're supposed to take out one 8mm screw from the point connecting the bumper with the fender. After that, just pull the bumper from the edge and you should be done from this side as well. Now we'll jump onto the top part. We will take out the first clip from right here. That clip is out. A little ahead is the second clip that we're also supposed to take out. Then from the middle there are 2 clips that we also need to take out. And again the other side has accident, but you're supposed to take out one clip from here and then the other clip from right there that you also need to take out. Once all the clips are out, notice from the point the bumper is connected with the fender. There is one 10mm screw that we are supposed to take out from right here. I'm zooming in to show you guys. Right there we are supposed to take out. Here I'm using a 10mm socket with an extension and impact gun, but you can also use a ratchet wrench, an extension and 10mm socket. There's that screw taken out. Similar screw also needs to be taken out from the other side as well. Once that screw is taken out, now we will pull out the bumper from this side. You may have to pull it out with some force until it completely pulls out. Just like that, it's pulled out. Similar way we'll have to pull out from the other side as well. In my case this side is damaged, so I would not be able to show you guys, but just replicate what I did from the other side. Now it's time to pull down the complete front bumper. Not all the cars in the world have fog lights, but this one does, so we need to take out the plugs for that. Notice this plug has this tab right there. Just press and hold that tab and then pull the plug outwards. Just like that, that plug is out. Similar plug needs to be taken out from the other side as well. Again, we press and hold that tab and then pull the plug outwards. There it is. Just to show you guys one more time, this is that tab that I was talking about. Press and hold that tab and then pull the plug outwards. With both the plugs taken out, there we ended up taking out the front bumper completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.